Good evening, this is Melissa with the Stock Swoosh, and I did a nice webinar this week called Profit Trading the Power of Gaps. If you're interested in finding out more information about my upcoming free webinars, please feel free to contact me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. I have a YouTube site where I post a lot of videos and previous webinars called the Stock Swoosh, or you can reach me at my Facebook page, the Stock Swoosh, as well, and Twitter at the Stock Swoosh. I also have a LinkedIn group called Gap Traders. Thank you so much for attending my free webinar this week for everyone that came. I know time is very important and you took time out of your life, out of your day to come, and I hope you learned some good information at this webinar this past week. We talked about why someone should trade. Are you ambitious? Do you want to make money? Do you love to make money? How can you make money trading? This is one of the topics we discussed in the free webinar this week. And I just want to remind everyone, the reason that we trade is to be profitable. I know people trade and they love to trade and they press the buttons and they do it, but at the end of the day, if you're a trader and you're not profitable and you're not getting checks and getting paid and making money in your account, why are you doing it? The results, that's what matters. You need to be making money, and if you're not, I want you to consider taking my class so I can teach you how to do a strategy that is profitable so you can get the results you want, which is the money. For the nice gold coins here, beautiful gold coins. You need a plan of action. You need a plan of action. You need a plan of action in place in order to be successful trading. You need a proven strategy and a system that works in order to make money trading. You absolutely must follow this plan to achieve success, and you can't deviate from it. You cannot deviate from your plan when you have a plan to trade. That's how the market takes your money. If you do what you're supposed to do, the market will pay you day after day after day. And when you deviate from it, the market takes your money. It's really very simple, actually, if you understand how the market works. It's a beautiful system. The market pays you when you do what you're supposed to, and it takes your money when you don't. It's easy. So the choice is simple. Do what you're supposed to do. And if you don't have a plan of action and you need one, then think about taking my class. Most of the reasons that people lose money trading or fail is what? Number one, they have no plan of action. Number two, they have no focus, or they don't know how to stay focused. Number three, they have no strategy or play. Number four, they have no mentor, which is where I come in. Or number five, the number one reason why people lose money in the market is they do not have a system in place that works. You wouldn't believe how many people trade money in the market as if they're gambling. And trading isn't gambling. There's a systematic way to make money trading, and you have to follow it. People lose because they do not have a system that is specific enough, specialized enough, detailed enough, and focused enough, and meaningful enough to the real trend of stock. My Golden Gap class teaches you a plan of action in order how to make money in the market. It basically, in its essence, is a training plan in and of itself. I teach how to find the stock to trade, what gap to trade, how to find the best one that's going to have the best move in the day, and then how to play it. Why trade gaps at all? Stocks that gap have big moves in the day, and they can continue for weeks and months. Stocks that gap usually have their moves within the first part of the trading day, and you can be done trading by lunch. Stocks that gap have huge moves with small stops, which means you can make more money with less risk. And stocks that gap have a chart precision that is very unique in the market. It is, I was just explaining to somebody tonight, someone off the cuff that just wanted me to go over something with me, a student, and I can look at a chart and find my play, my gaps, even gaps that I didn't play. I can go back and look at daily charts and find these gaps, and I can find the precision in them on the daily chart. I can find the numbers. I can find it like that. I'm that good at spotting it. It is a skill to learn how to do this, but it's a skill that I am good at, and I can teach you how to do it. But it is there. It is there. I was discussing QCOM with someone today, and I'm even sometimes amazed myself when I find the type of number chart precisions, the way that these things work according to the way that they're supposed to work. I'm even amazed myself how good they work sometimes. So, think about taking the class that I teach. It's called the Golden Gap Seminar. The Golden Gap course is a 2-day class on how to trade professional bearish gaps. The Golden Gap course is designed to help you strategically find, pick, and play stocks that are professional bearish gaps. It is a complete system. And what is necessary for a complete system? Well, the following components specifically and in their entirety. And I can't repeat this enough. You need a strategy. You need a play. You need at least one concept to give you an edge. You do not need 100 strategies in place to make money in the market. You need one strategy and one play which works. And if you can combine one strategy and one play and do them extremely well, you can make money trading. It's that beautiful. I offer you in my class a complete system. Yes, you're paying a tuition fee to get it, but it's giving you everything. The strategy, 6 plays, the concepts to give you an edge, a trading plan to know what to do in 2 days' time. It's a beautiful system. I talked about this in the free webinar, the $1 million chocolate-covered strawberry. I want to be able to buy as many $1 million covered chocolate strawberries as I could ever want in my lifetime. And the way for me to do it is trading. That's why I love to trade. That's why I get up every morning at 6 a.m. and get ready and excited to trade. And I do it day after day after day after day after day. That's the market. That's what it is. And when I can't trade for 1 or 2 days or 3 days, then I miss the market. I love to trade. And I love chocolate-covered strawberries. The market is a sea of money. This is the ocean. It's a vast, vast, vast sea. It's expansive. You can't even tell how far out it goes. This is just like the market. The market is a sea of money. You can't tell me how much money is in the market. Do you even know? No, nobody knows. It's endless. It's like a sea. It's an endless, 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 endless sea of money that just pays you every day you decide to go in and trade and get your trade. Every day you get a good gap, you play it and you make money. It's an endless sea. It's all about success. I am teaching the information when you take the class, and I'm helping you to achieve success. I want you to be successful. I know some places don't care if traders are successful or not, but I actually would like people to be successful. I know my information works, or I wouldn't be teaching it to you, and I wouldn't be putting it out there. And I believe in what I do. I have passion for what I do. I have conviction in what I do. And I know that it works. But you have to do it. You have to do it, and you can't make any mistakes. And that's why you got to learn from me. But what is the path? What is the path to success? How do you plan on achieving success? Success requires a plan. Success also involves risk. Successful people don't spend time thinking while opportunity passes them by. People who take risks get rewarded in life because they are willing to take a chance. Success does not come without taking a risk and making an effort. If there was no risk involved, the reward would not be so great. That's the beauty of the market. If there was no risk involved in trading in life, everyone would be successful. And as you know, that's not the case. Life is a risk. Life is a risk. If you don't jump from the small bowl of life that you're in right now and get to the bigger bowl, the millionaire bowl, the big bowl where everybody has lots of room to play and lots of freedom and lots of money, lots of vacations, lots of nice things, the way to get there is going to take work. It is going to require risk. It's the only way you're going to do it. Stay in there all you want. Don't take the class if you don't want to. Keep doing what you're doing. Safe and happy. Eventually, you're going to outgrow this bowl. And you got no choice but to jump into the big bowl. And it's up to you. It's up to you. You have to understand being successful requires some level of risk. Otherwise, everyone would have it. And this is my favorite one of all. This is the mouse with the helmet wanting the piece of cheese. Success is a risk. If you want to be successful and get that cheese and not injure yourself, okay, then you need to take a class to learn how to trade if you want to trade the market. And I suggest my class. My class on Golden Gaps is a wonderful, fabulous class. And if you're interested in references, I certainly can give them to you. Feel free to email me, and I will give you references. My class teaches you how to trade gaps, which have to do with longevity and consistency. The Golden Gap course will teach you a strategy that will help you sustain yourself in the market. Trading is about consistency and longevity. If you want to have longevity, you need to produce consistent results. The Golden Gap course teaches you how to get consistent results in your trading. You need a plan of action. What is your plan? How are you going to achieve the monetary goals you have set for yourself and for your future? Taking the Golden Gap class is the first step to assist you in achieving the financial goals you have set for yourself and your family. There will be live trading in the class on the second day. I'm doing a class Monday, Sunday and Monday, the 11th and the 12th. If you're interested, please feel free to contact me. I'm doing 2 classes in November, the 11th and the 12th, and the 17th and the 18th. The cost is $1,500, and if you're interested, please feel free to email me at Melissa at thestockswish.com. Remember, you can have a beautiful new life with you filled with success if you just want to do the work and keep working hard to achieve it. Thank you for coming, and have a great night.